Can using a non-dimmable LED bulb with a dimmer switch cause any damage?
In this video, we will be discussing if using a non-dimmable LED bulb with a dimmer switch can cause any damage. We will explore the potential risks and how to avoid them.
What are dimmable and non-dimmable LED bulbs?
Dimmable LED bulbs are designed to work with dimmer switches, allowing you to control the light output and adjust the brightness. Non-dimmable LED bulbs do not have this capability and are meant to be used at a constant level of brightness.
What happens when you use a non-dimmable LED bulb with a dimmer switch?
Using a non-dimmable LED bulb with a dimmer switch can cause several issues. 1. Flickering or strobing. The bulb may flicker or strobe when the dimmer switch is adjusted, causing an annoying and potentially harmful visual effect. 2. Reduced lifespan. The constant fluctuation in voltage can damage the internal components of the bulb, leading to a shorter lifespan. 3. Overheating and damage. A non-dimmable LED bulb is not designed to handle the changes in voltage, which can lead to overheating and potential damage to the bulb and dimmer switch. 4. Electrical noise. The incompatibility between the bulb and the dimmer switch can generate electrical noise, which may interfere with other electronic devices in your home.
How can I avoid damaging my non-dimmable LED bulb or dimmer switch?
The best way to avoid damaging your non-dimmable LED bulb or dimmer switch is to only use dimmable LED bulbs with dimmer switches. If you already have a non-dimmable LED bulb installed with a dimmer switch, 1. Replace the non-dimmable LED bulb with a dimmable LED bulb. 2. Replace the dimmer switch with a regular on-off light switch if you don't need the dimming function. Using a non-dimmable LED bulb with a dimmer switch can cause damage to both the bulb and the switch, as well as lead to flickering, reduced lifespan, and electrical noise. To avoid these issues, it is important to use dimmable LED bulbs with dimmer switches and replace any incompatible components as necessary.